Okay, here's a question where you need to factor that. This one is a funny form. It's, I guess you could say it's like minus 4x squared minus 4x plus 3. So it's sort of the same kind of thing as this one, but this is an x fourth. So this one's like it's rows to the power 2, same as this one. And I guess if you want to think of this as x0, if that's raised to the power 2, is still 0. Anyway, if I were to factor this over here, I'd get x minus 3, x minus 1, I think. Minus 1, minus 3, yeah. Positive 3, yeah, that'd be it. So if you're following that pattern over here, you could factor this one too. And rather than it being like this, I'm going to have, I guess I could write it like that, x minus 3, x minus 1. But since this is x to the fourth, to get that, I need a squared here and a squared there. So x squared times x squared, x4. X squared times minus 1 would be a minus x squared. Minus 3 times that would be a minus 3x squared. Together, those give me a minus 4x squared. Minus 3 times minus 1 is a positive 3. And so it's sort of, you're factoring it like this, but this is just a different form. Now with this one, the x squared minus 1, that's a difference of squares. I guess this one almost is too. So I guess you could leave it like that, or you could write that as a difference of squares. So it'd be x minus root 3 and x plus root 3 for this one. And for this one, you could call it x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, so that's how you could factor something like this. And you can do that just because it's sort of the same form. So this could have been like a 6 and this a 3, or this could have been an 8 and this one would have been a 4. And all of those would work in a similar manner. Okay, hopefully that helps.